Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We got this truck done. I didn't post a video when I started working on it, so I got a video that I made. The truck is done, it's ready to leave. So I'm gonna post some photos here. So let's go. Let's get in the golf cart and let's go see this truck. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe. I appreciate all the subscribers. I appreciate all the likes, the love, the comments. So let's go in the car. The car is waiting for us, the little golf cart. Let's go.